name is Bartholomew Kristen Hahn. Welcome to the Burping Contest of the century. Let's get this dang book out of the way and get started. Here's Alexa with her first burp of the evening. I would give that 6.9 and 4 quarters. Here goes Taylor. Oh, that was the juicy one. I had some flavor. Did you eat before this, darling? I would give that a 6.9. 6.10. Here's Samantha with her burp. That was a one. I would give that a 7.2. Enough. Here's Kristen. I need some time to find Bartholomew Kristen the first. Come on. Hold on. I got French frost stuck in my throat.
She's running out of time.